algab nüüd kohe varsti. Mul on nii hea meel, et ma siin olen nagu update'i, sest ma ei ole nii ammu trenni andnud kuskil. Teinud siin ja seal erinevaid asju, aga päris nagu trenni andnud niimoodi long back there. Mis me täna tunnis teeme? Teeme natuke old school siukest warm-up'i. Püsiks see kombinni sinna otsa ja siis võtame, ma arvan, et nagu minu poolt kõige raskema koreograafia, mida ma tavaliselt tegelikult üldse ei tee, mingi siukene lyrical hip-hop täiesti nagu sõnade peale go, go, go. See tavaliselt ei ole üldse minu teema, aga lihtsalt proovime ja vaatame, mis veel tuleb. Cool. Jep. Sooja. Jep.
Tell me lies, tell me beautiful lies, yeah. Not your mind, I can see in your eyes, yeah. Not surprised that you think I would fall, cause I done that before. But see, it's different this time, word. Trust issues, not simple, with you. She got charm, but she put the con in confidential. Misuse me, confuse me, move me. I've been through things, you use it to fool me. I do think you know what you doing. She play these games, she love when she lose me. Making me leave, then running me back. Puppet master got me trapped, all strings detached. She said,
all my love is for you. All my love is for you. Whatever you want, I will do. Whatever you want, I will do for you. Yeah. All my love is for you. All my love is for you. Whatever you want, I will do. Whatever you want, I will do for you.
Aga kes veel pole käinud, nagu selles mõttes oleme tuttavad. Sinuga pole näinud, jah? Tšau. Mina olen Sass. Täna olen tantsuõpetaja ja teiega tantsiga. Nii, teisega oleme tuttavad. Jah? Okei. No, nii, et saame tuttavaks. Jo. Ehk siis, meil on 4 tundi kokku, siis põhimõtteliselt ma üritan kuidagi neid kokku panna niimoodi, et meil oleksid tuttavad sammud igal pool, ükskõik mis stiili me ei tee, kas me teeme sellist, no rohkem nagu sinna allapoole, ma ei taha seda tantsmoodi öelda või midagi sellist, ei ole tantsmood lihtsalt nagu, aga või teeme house'i või teeme tänavatantsu või midagi, et rohkem pühendame aega nendele jaagadele, ehk siis põhimõtteliselt hakkame rohkem selliseid asju õppima ja vaatame, kuhu selles mõttes erinevate muusikaga, kuidas me seda kasutame.
Nägu liive annan Eestis energiat. Hoia livel käed püsti synergia. Soe hedonist juht hip-hopi vedurist. Mitmekordne Eesti meister ja kuldmedalist. Seda on mu raha, Mudinero. Seks olengi, Max Basilionero. Olen mero.
Okei, aitäh teile! Ja homme siis jätkame, jah?
Nägu liive annan Eestis energia.
Ma olen väsinud. Ma olen limpsi oma.
Kas me disko
Ma
teeme?
olen väsinud.
Homme teeme ikka.
Homme on disko! Otsige nabapluusid välja!
Mul ei ole nabapluusi.
Пройдусь по свежим следам слез высохших на щеках. В небе далекая звезда. Пройдусь по свежим следам слез высохших на щеках. Светит далекая звезда. Дождь монотонно шелестит, эй. Живая энергия чисто горит. Никому не позволит нас найти, эй. В небе далекая звезда. Я так хочу лишку с тобой, эй. На странной смеси языков, эй. На странной смеси языков. И все, что делает дикой нашу любовь, эй.
Тату на обличчі, не моя фішка, я просто пишка, пушка, пишка, дивна для всіх непрочитана книжка. Я просто пишка, пушка, пишка, тату на обличчі, не моя фішка, я просто пишка, пушка, пишка, дивна для всіх непрочитана книжка. Я просто пишка, пушка, пишка. Забираю геть усіх під свої крила. Виморе я як човен, що розправляє вітрила. Я розкатаю світ, щоб він нарешті нас не втримав. Така я не одна, хто всі інші, то інтрига. Я ляжу на бій, я дуже давуча. Я всім покажу, хто тут теді, хто сучка. Я бачу на осліп, хтось за мною скучив. Від звуків таких вуха в трубочку скручені. Зсередини нас розрива на шматці. За те, які ми є, нас не хвалять і нам не платять. І кожному своє, але в кожному є багаття. Палає так яскраво, що зовні не видно статі. Ходитиму білими, словом наділи. Награли тоді, коли інші осіли. Ми з новими цілями, гори осилимо. Музика в нас, а ми в ній аж до сивини. Я просто пишка, пушка, пишка, дивна на вид, непрочитана книжка. Я просто пишка, пушка, пишка, тату на обличчі, не моя фішка. Я просто пишка, пушка, пишка, дивна для всіх непрочитана книжка. Я просто пишка. Тату на обличчі, не моя фішка. Я просто пишка, пушка, пишка, дивна для всіх непрочитана книжка. Я просто пишка, пушка, пишка, тату на обличчі, не моя фішка.
Aplausa satsile veel! Teeme poistega veel eraldi ükskord, palun. Hoidke seda energiat, jah? Ja jagage seda teine teisega. Teil on seda palju. Aitäh! Ja hurraa!
Täna annan teile mina trenni Kristi asemel. Tuli nii välja. Ja üks asi, mis ma just kusjuures hiljuti enne Austraaliast ära tulekut aru sain, oli see, et mulle väga meeldib groovida. ma ei tea. Ja ma leian, et see on ka üks väga tähtis tantsu komponent või stiil või lihtsalt võimalus ennast väljendada. Ja ma arvan, et ma alustan sellega, et me teeme justkui soojenduse, aga me üritame leida seda groove'i kogu aeg.
Why don't you just let go and quiet down your ego? Don't complain about finance. I know your daddy weren't a real man. Go ahead and live your dreams. To me you're stronger than a whole team. I know you can't relax, and you don't want me to know that. I see you work real hard. You wanna help your friends, but trust me baby, you don't owe them. Don't take on people's problems. I wanna
train, midnight, bags gathered round my feet, possessions, some lessons to carry with me, heavy and soothing, like a gentle symphony. I rest my head right back up on my seat. It's hard and cold though, the best thing for me is train is moving, but my heart is stationary. Seasons change, shining it won't be the same. I'm hoping I won't stay the same. Reason is strange, why we always play these games. I left it with you, a note that was discreet. I made sure I put it upon the cellar door. It's hanging, hoping, will you read it while I weep? Last time, it flickers through me, so vivid, it rushes from my head down to my feet. We're laughing, joking, through a dice to my defeat. Seasons change, it'll never be the same.
I've heard a lot about you guys from Elisa. Just told me how you guys are like clean and like really strong and everything. So I'm gonna expect some results today. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play a song. We're gonna warm up just a little bit because I don't like wasting time a lot with warming up. So we'll get ourselves warm like real quick and then we'll proceed with choreo. Yeah?
Ühesõnaga, see on natuke sooja ja siis teeme edasi praegu kõik.
Alright, awesome. Today's choreo is gonna be I'm gonna try and give you like 3 different-ish pieces. Today's choreo is gonna be kind of heavy slash a little. I don't know if I should say like gangster. I don't know. Whatever. But yeah, so we're gonna have like kind of like that mood today. So like not happy or like sad stuff today. It's it's more of like a fun slash yeah. Yeah, and what else? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys are like challenged a little bit and like you learned something from this experience today. And yeah, let's do this, okay?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Võtke siis rahulikult ja tehke nii, nagu te ise teete.
Everywhere we go to, drinks that keep on pouring till the early morning. Say everywhere we go to, looking extra fly, always pull up with some extra style. Everywhere we go to, party never over, and we never sober. Say everywhere we go to, gotta thank the lie for the crazy shit that's happening now.
I said, the Uzi gon' slip through your hand like you gripping on soap. I said, I did not have no new feeling while fucking that hoe. I said, look at the Uzi wetter than the boat. She said, jacuzzi, the water feel good on her toe. Live a little, small little, sip a little, drip a little. You're a rat just like store a little. I said, I don't think owner can trust you no more. I said, live a little, drip a little. Nigga green jet like chlorophyll. Ice on my neck, check the windshield. Going very fast, got flies on the windshield, yeah. And it's only gelato with an inhale. No pill, but the boys know it's Benadryl. All these hoes want the same thing like it's in there, damn. And it's chain, rings, queen, Celine, Jermaine. She want it, it's a dream. Keep on going. She twerk, my wrist in the pot and I work. Swerving, excursion. It's hurting, think she allergic to all the bro niggas. I said, the Uzi gon' slip through your hand like you gripping on soap. I said, I did not have no feeling while fucking that hoe. I said, look at the Uzi wetter than the boat.
Tere, kallis rahvas! Meie oleme siin jälle Samiris selles Summer Campis on ju. Rommi, jah? Tule siia, las ma intervjueerin sind. Tere, Rommet!
Tere!
Kuidas läheb?
Hästi.
Kus tunnen?
Mõnus.
Kas trennid?
Siiamaani mõnusad.
Kardad ka, Josephi trennid?
Ei.
Väga hea?
Jah.
Jah. Kohe tuleb Josephi trenn, tuleb raju, tuleb vinge, tuleb äge. Ma olen väsinud, aga ma teen ikka. Ja kõik teevad ikka, sest tuleb raju. Jah.
And I know times like this, you just take it slow. I fall asleep in the pillows. She got my heart in a chokehold. And there she goes. Heart that pounds like a stereo. You take me round and round like the merry-go. But one more ride, baby, here we go.
So yeah, thank you again very much. And third class in like 2.5 hours-ish. And yeah, see you there.
We don't sing about it no more. Don't nobody sing about it no more. No more. Let's called love. Don't sing about it no more. Don't nobody sing about it no more. Nigga don't sing about this shit, nigga. But in the club singing.
To the window, to the wall. My nigga ride when I call. Got all in my mind, blocking my shine. I know the reason you feel the way. I know just who you want to be. So every day I think the man upstairs, that ain't you and you ain't me. Get off my dude.
In the club singing. In the club singing. No, mama let the kids sing.
Harga bisa kata. Awesome. Yeah, then come get it back.
Say me wine up the thing till it pile up. Big bumper girl just a wine and a while up. They must spoil me a stock till it pile up. My money enough so it my money
dance like you mean it. Dance like you on fire and you want me to know. You move like you mean it, shorty. See the look on your face. You either wanna fight or wanna make love, maybe both. They got me looking at you, watching the way you wind it and pop it. One more time, go wine and pop it, yeah. Remember that drink got me feeling alright. Pretty little thing, I can watch it all night. Pull up on that bumper, girl, I just might. Pull up on that bumper, girl, I just might. Baby, push back when I jump behind it. When I jump behind it. So when I jump behind it, push back on me. So baby, push back when I jump behind it. Baby, let me know you like it. Tonight, let's give them something to see. Everybody singing. Everybody singing.
Said I want you to mean it, yeah.
ja higistanud ja vahel nutnud ja naernud ja kõiki asju korraga, jah. ja käib seal suure ja hea laagriga kaasas. Kas teil oli lõbus? Väga hea! Endale suur! Kas teil oli tore? Jaa! Väga tore. Kas te tahate koju? See on ka tore. Aga kahjuks see keelde peate ära minema.
Sügisel näeme!
When I jump behind it. When I jump behind it. So when I jump behind it, push back.